Okay guys, so if y'all remember one of my other videos from yesterday, hopefully you can remember that far back. I know I barely can. I picked up these two tillers. That one ran fine. This one had a problem with the carburetor. Float stuck, actually filled the crankcase up with gas. I got it all drained out, got it running. It works good. I mean, these things are brand new. They're just store returns. This one, literally, I put gas in it, fired it up, and run it. I mean, these things, a lot of people, and I know it's not very ethical, but they do it. They'll buy a piece of equipment, they'll mow the grass, and then they'll return and get all their money back. So, with that being said, I knew there wasn't going to be a whole lot wrong with them. I'm probably going to keep one of these two, probably that one. That's the only thing that did not run immediately. These other three ran. That one was I had to do a little bit of work to it. This one wouldn't even fire up at all. And I basically took the carburetor off, cleaned it out. I ran a new fuel line to the tank, and it runs amazing. I'll probably keep that one just because it's plain Jane, simple, you know, nothing to it, no self-propelled. I don't need none of that. I just got a little dog run that I mow, and that's actually perfect for that. This one will work too, this one will work too, but that one will bring a little more money than this one will. So we'll go through and start them. Bear with the phone shaking. One pull. These both have a primer on them too. This one has it on the side. I don't like how that just folds down. People think, oh, you pull it this way. Nope, pull it this way. This tiller has reverse on it too. I mean, them kinds are not even, they don't even have the paint wore off of them. Choke on, throttle up. So yeah, guys, there's deals out there. You just got to look. I used to buy a lot of stuff from Tractor Supply. It was the same type of deal. People would buy something, they'd use it, then return it, and then they'd just mark them down. I'd go up there and buy them at a discount. Sometimes have to do work to them, sometimes I didn't. But yeah, so all of these are for sale minus that one. And in fact, I'm going to go put that up right now so somebody don't come and try to buy it. Later, guys.